Meaning of Hatton Garden.
Hatton Garden.
Hatton Garden.
Hatton Garden.
Hatton Garden. Hatton Garden is a street and area in the Holborn district of London, United Kingdom. It is most well known for its high concentration of jewelry shops and businesses, many of which specialize in diamonds and other precious stones. The area has a long history of jewelry making and diamond trading, dating back to the 19th century. Today, Hatton Garden is a popular destination for anyone interested in buying or selling jewelry, as well as for tourists who wish to explore this unique and historic part of London.